So we are going to work on our fluency. Fluency in multiplication is working on having facts answered correctly and quickly. Okay, so fluency is answering facts correctly and quickly. But you know what? First, we need to do our DMR, don't we? Ha ha ha, my brain almost forgot. I didn't let me forget. Let's read 2 groups, okay? That means we need a 2 first. So it's either going to be this one or this one. This is 2 groups of 7. Look, that's still 2 groups of 7, but we know the answer is 14. So that gets rid of this one. This is your correct answer. 2 times 7 equals 14 because we have 2 groups and there are 7 in each group. Okay? All right. Moving on, rounding. We're getting better. When you are rounding to the nearest 10, your ones place is going to tell you what to do. That means we have a 7. 7 is 5 or more, so we are going to raise the score. That means this 6 is going up to a 7. So 1,670 would be your correct answer. Next one, subtracting. We have double zeros. This tricked a lot of us up. Remember, this is what most of you did. Most of you said 0 minus 9 equals 9. If I have 0, nothing at all in my hands, you cannot take 9. I have nothing. How are you going to take away 9? It's impossible. So you will have to borrow. Oh no, there's nothing there. You have to go to the next one. This is going to become a 300, and now we have 10 tens. 300s plus 10 tens is still 400 because we have 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. We have not subtracted yet. We've only regrouped. Now I can get a 10 here by borrowing from our tens place. So we have 9 tens now and 10 ones. This is still equal to 400. 390 plus 10 is equal to 400. Now we can subtract. 10 ones minus 9 ones equals 1 1. 9 tens minus 7 tens equals 2 tens. 300s minus 300s is equal to 0 hundreds. So we have an invisible 0 there, and your answer is 21. Okay. Looking down at our final one, there were 284 people in line at the dolphin show at the zoo. 195 people were able to get in. How many people were left in the line? Yesterday, we determined this was a subtraction problem because we were looking at how many people were left. That means how many are still there after you take away the people that got to go in. So in order to solve this problem, we must subtract 284 minus 195. Again, I only have 4. You cannot take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th one? Oh no, you've got to regroup. So this is going to become a 14 because we're going to add 10 from the tens place. So instead of 8 tens, we have 7 tens and we have 14 ones. That still equals 84. 14 take away 5 is 9. 7 take away 9. Here's 7. Let's take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, I can't. So I have to regroup. So I'm going to add 10 from my hundreds place. So I took 100 and I changed it to 10 tens. Now I have 17 tens. Subtract 9 tens is 8 tens. 100 minus 100 is equal to 0 hundreds. So you have 89. It said solve, then type the answer on the line below. Don't forget to turn the question around. So you should have typed, there were 89 people left in line. I already know what the question is. Ms. Sousa, I typed that yesterday and it was wrong. You are correct and I have made a change. For whatever reason, if you were to spell something wrong, so let's say you were to put there and forget the E, or if you were to forget your period, it would say that you are wrong. That is silly. So for your quiz and here moving forward, I am only going to have you type the number answer. That way we don't have any spelling getting us bad grades on math because that's not fair. Okay, so as long as you got the answer of 89, you are in good shape. All right, that was your DMR. Now I can teach my favorite thing ever. Okay, here is some background information on your success criteria. Today, you're going to work on your multiplication fact fluency. Fluency is a word that means quickly and accurately. You will know that you are successful when you can quickly and accurately answer multiplication facts. All right, so we are going to work on quickly and accurately, which means correctly answering multiplication facts. We are going to do this through songs. Okay, now every year I have sixth graders come back and tell me that they still use these songs. I actually learned these songs when I was a third grader, and honest to God, I still use these songs. When I have to count by threes because I'm putting together packages of cookies or something, I'll go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, I need 15. I use the songs. These are amazing tools, and every third grader that takes time to learn these does well in multiplication. So it is worthwhile to learn these. So we're going to learn the song first, and then we're going to practice singing it with yourselves on mute so we don't have a mix of delayed voices. And we're going to work on threes, and then we will learn the fours song. After we learn the threes and fours song, you are going to practice your threes and fours multiplication facts in some fun ways, okay? So I want you to be learning these at home, so I should see your mouths moving. You can stay on mute, we don't have to hear you, but I should see your mouths moving trying to learn these songs, okay? All right, here's how the first three song goes. Okay, this is the three song. We're going to go through it one time with you listening to know how the song sounds. Then I'm going to break it into two parts. We'll repeat those parts over and over until you feel comfortable with them. Then we'll put both parts back together for the total song. Okay, here's how it sounds listening first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Awesome. So if you look off to the side here, we have the lyrics, and the lyrics are arranged in the way that your voice sounds as the song progresses. So you can look at those to help you remember how it's supposed to sound, okay? So let's break it up into the first part. Here's the first part. Let me see if I can get those lyrics shown right. Yep, I can. Look at that. Here's the lyrics for you so you know what number's coming next, and now we'll listen. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Awesome. Let's do it again together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Awesome. One more time. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Great. Here's the second part. The second part, we bring our voices back down. 24, 27, 30. 24, 27, 30. 24, 27, 30. Awesome. Let's try it together. We're going to go through this 3 times. Everyone try it together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Good. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. One more time. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Awesome. So since this is our first time learning a song, I'm going to go over why these songs are important and helpful to you. These songs are helpful because anytime you're multiplying or dividing by 3 and you're trying to find what your product or your quotient is, think about that number in your head and then count how many times it takes you to get there. What I mean is, let's say the problem is 3 times 7. In my mind, I can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And now I know that it equals 21 because that's what I said when I sang 7 lyrics. Okay? Same thing if you were doing division. If you knew that you had to get down from 21 divided by 3, you could sing the 3 song until you got to 21 and you would know that your quotient would be 7. Okay? So these songs are really valuable and important. Take time to practice, try to memorize them. I promise you they'll be helpful. 4s are up next.
All right, so let's talk about that. When you are multiplying and your first factor is a 3, so let's say you have a 3 times, automatically you should go, oh, I can use my 3 song. Let's say you are given 3 times 4 and you are asked to find the product, the answer. Here's what you can do. 3, 6, 9, 12. Oops, I wrote a 6. That's hard to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can circle that it equals 12. I sang the 3 song with 4 lyrics. 3, 6, 9, 12. I landed on 12, so I know that my answer is 12. Let's say you were given 3 times and you saw 8. You know you're going to use your 3 song and you're going to sing 8 lyrics. 3, 6, 9, 12. 15, 18, 21, 24, boom. I sang 8 lyrics, so I know the answer is 24. So when I have these songs memorized, I can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. The answer is 24. I sang the 3 song with 8 lyrics. Okay, this is how you can use these songs to solve your multiplication. Let's look at another one. Let's say you had 3 times 2. You know you're singing the 3 song. You're going to sing 2 lyrics. 3, 6. I said 6. That's my answer. So this is how these songs are useful to you when you are multiplying by 3s. Okay? So let's take a look at this song straight through with some practice. So we're going to practice this song now. And I'll make it smaller so you can see those lyrics again too. Beautiful. Okay, so here's your lyrics over here. So you can look at them as we're singing and you can get better. This is going to sing the song through 3 times. Here we go.
Okay, this is the 3 songs straight through 3 times. Practice with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Good. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Great job, 3rd grade.
Nice. I'm seeing your mouths. You're getting better. Let's try it one more time. So practice saying those lyrics because then you're going to be able to use those fingers and multiply this quick. Boom. You're going to have it down. Okay, here we go.
Okay, this is the 3 songs straight through 3 times. Practice with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Good. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Great job, 3rd grade.
Okay, so that is our 3 song. These videos are here for you in the instructions. So if you want to practice this song or you forget how it goes, all you have to do is click on those instructions and boom, it's right there. Okay, now I can hear Miss Renelay's class right now doing the 4s and they are loud. This is one of people's favorites is the 4 song because it's more of a chant. Okay, So again, here's why the for song is helpful. After you learn this song, you're going to be able to say, okay, 4 times 5. I know I can go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oh, I said 20. That's the answer. Okay, so this is how you're going to be able to use the song to multiply. Here's the force chant. We're going to learn this one really quick. Okay, let me make it smaller so we can see the lyrics at the same time. Beautiful. There it is. All right, here's your lyrics. They're straight across. Levin, a question?
I remember doing this song with my dad. He would do this with his kids at work because he's like a children's health doctor, and you were chubby in the videos back
Cool.
then.
Leah.
In the videos, I like your bangs.
Thank you. I miss my bangs. All right, here we go. Here's the force chant. So we're going to learn it. It's going to break it down into sections.
Hey, third grade. This song is a little more like a chant, like if you're cheering something on at a football game. I'm going to do the song one time through with you listening.
Goodness, sorry, y'all.
Hey, third grade, this is the for song. This song is a little bit more like a chant. You were cheering something on at a football game. I'm going to do the song one time through with you listening. Then we'll break it up into parts. We'll do those parts over and over until we feel comfortable, and then we'll string them all back together. Okay, here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Okay, so listening to two parts. We're going to do the first part. Listen first, join in. Remember, you can use those lyrics here off to the side. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That's it. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Awesome. Here's the second part, and it goes a little bit faster because you have more words to fit in. So listening first, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Try it with me. 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Look at those lyrics. 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. One more time. 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Okay, now let's bring them all back together. Remember, guys, you can look at these lyrics here off to the side to help you get used to the words that we're saying, okay? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. I like to add in a snap or a clap to help me remember the pace. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Awesome. So remember again, if you ever have to divide or multiply by 4, you can say this song to get to the product or the quotient. Okay? All right.
So again, here's why this is helpful. Let's say you see a multiplication equation and it has a 4 as a factor. That can tell you I'm going to use the for song. Let's say it was 4 times 10. You know that you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I landed on 40. So the answer is 40. So with the song, that would look like this. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. I said 40 when I had all 10 fingers up, okay? So this is how you can help get fluent at multiplication or be quick and accurate, all right? Okay, so that was learning. Now let's practice the song. Okay, so now we're going to practice. There's those lyrics off to the side.
All right.
We're going to say the song through 3 times. I want to see those mouths moving.
This is that force chant 3 times through. Say it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Great job. All right.
All right, let's do
it. All right,
again.
This is that force chant 3 times through. Say it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Great job. All right.
So think about how quick this is, all right? Think about these seconds. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That was about 6 or 7 seconds. And I just answered 10 multiplication questions in 6 or 7 seconds. By using these songs, you can accurately get the products to multiplication equations quickly. Okay, so these songs will help you learn that very quickly. Terrence.
Do we have to use this strategy? Because I don't sing or dance. I've never have.
Well, we are not dancing, and you don't have to sing. You can just say them too. I'm not going to force you to do anything, but I am going to tell you that every single third grader who has used these has done wonderfully on Fluency. All right, let's look at our 3 song again, and then we'll do our 4 song again, and then I'm going to go over the work with you, okay? All right, here is our 3 song, 3 times through. Practice, practice, practice.
Okay, this is the 3 song straight through 3 times. Practice with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Good. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Great job, third grade.
One more time.
Okay, this is the 3 song straight through 3 times. Practice with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Good. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Great job, third grade.
All right, and now we'll do that 4 song 3 times through. Here we go. It's our chant. Get ready to get those fast voices on. Here we go.
All right, this is that 4's chant 3 times through. Say it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Great job. All right.
One more time. Maybe.
All right, this is that 4's chant 3 times through. Say it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Great job. All right.
All right, we will review the 3s and the 4s song every day while we're working on Fluency. And if you want more practice, remember on your Seesaw activity, you can click on these instructional slides and go to the slide for the 3s and go to the slide for the 4s, and you'll be able to watch those videos, okay? You today on your activities are going to practice multiplication fluency. With your class, review the success criteria. We've done that. Learn 2 multiplication songs for today's facts. They're on slides 2 and 3. We've done that. We learned the 3s, we learned the 4s. Independently, click on the Add Response. On slide 1, complete the practice page for the assigned fact groupings. Use your songs. On slide 2, reflect on your success with multiplication fact fluency. Remember to use math vocabulary in your explanation. Then play the practice games on the assigned fact group that you learned today by clicking on the link on slide 3. Use your songs. So you're going to complete a work page. And then you're going to get to play some practice games to get quicker and more accurate with your multiplication. So I want to show you what this looks like. On slide 1, you are given a treasure chest pathway for 3s and 4s. I've put the lyrics for the 3s song here. I've put the lyrics for the 4s song here. So you can use these by either singing the song or you can touch them. By saying you needed 3 times 4, you could go 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, and you would know it's 12. So you can use them several ways. The directions say,
in order to get fluent with your 3s and 4s multiplication facts, you will use the multiplication songs for 3s and 4s to help you answer each question inside of this bubble. You will also then at the end color each product of 20, 21, 24, and 27
I wanted to do it
to see if you can create a clear path to the treasure for the character.
So I'm going to solve each of these facts. So I'm going to use my pen tool or my label tool, whichever I prefer, do 5 times 4. This is a 4. I'm going to use the 4 song 5 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That equals 20. Then I'm going to move on to the next one. 10 times 4, that's a 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. That equals 40. When I have all of these answered, it said I'm going to color all of them that have a product of 20, 21, and 24. So I notice that this equals 20, so I'll color it. I'm trying to see if I can get my pirate to the treasure chest. Is there a path of 20, 21, 24, 27 that gets me to the path? This page I am going to grade. I am going to be grading this page and I'm going to be grading your correct answers. Okay, so I'm looking at your multiplication and I'm seeing if you got the correct products. All right, so this is what I am grading. On slide 2, you are asked, do you feel successful with multiplying with 100? You are going to tell me yes or no, and you're going to use math vocabulary. So remember, saying yes, it's easy. That is not explaining with math vocabulary. So yes, I was able to quickly find the products. Now I've used math vocabulary. Or no, I still don't understand the factors. Now I've used math vocabulary. So you're going to use math vocabulary to tell me if you feel successful or not. This is where your games are. So after you finish slide 1, you guys have some games that you're going to get to play. It says click on the link. It's right here. Select the times 3 or times 4 to practice your 3s and 4s multiplication facts. So today we're going to click on times 3 and times 4. Select any of the silly games to practice. So I'm going to click on the link. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose my 4s first. I want to do times 4. And then I get to choose any of these games that are going to give me times 4. And because I know you guys will laugh at this, we're going to do Baby Ninja. And I'm going to
enter the secret code to see flying fruit.
Times 4. 1 times 4. 4. 6 times 4. I've got to sing that 4 song 6 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24. 2, 4. Okay, so you're going to get to practice these multiplication games after you finish your work page. Okay, so answer the problems on slide 1. Tell me if you feel successful or not and why. And then you can practice multiplying by 3 and 4 on your games. Okay? All right.